Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's December 3rd, coming at you with another video here. Today, we're going to do something a little bit different. As we see, the market has been picking up lately, maybe even possibly going into the bull run. This is not financial advice, just looking at some information things that I invest into. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. We'll have some information down below as well. So today, I'm on coinmarketcap.com, just providing you some of the basic information. I go here to, you can add tokens to your wallet and do stuff like that on in the information. So let's just look at how the market's been doing. Um, Here, if you look at the fear and greed index, this is an index that tells you basically when it's values closer to zero, the market's in extreme fear. There's been a lot of sell-offs. When it gets, the greed side, it's been doing extremely greedy. So this is kind of just a overall market index. Right now, we're at a 74. You can see the markets have pushed up over the last 7 days. Bitcoin's up almost 6%. Ethereum's up 4%. So we've been looking at a good push here. Bitcoin, pushed up almost to $40,000. You can see here's the daily, and if you look at the monthly trend, we've been trending up. So if you're looking at getting into the markets, some people are saying, hey, it's going to push up to 42. Some people think it might go up there, and then we might see retracement. Hard to say. The ETFs from BlackRock, which are going to Bitcoin ETFs, which allow them to the I guess the institutional money to start flowing into Bitcoin. Those announcements are supposed to happen in January, so we're still waiting for those, and that could push the markets even higher then. But right now, this is kind of just sort of anticipation, and this could be the market's pricing it in right now. Ethereum's behind a little bit. It's 42 point or 4.22% this week. As you can see here, that Bitcoin has 52% of the overall market. ETH has about 17%. So you can see some of the other notables down here. Solana has done very well recently, outperforming the other two here at 10%. And it's upwards of 62, almost $63. Chainlink has been doing well and Avalanche has kind of been in the mean as well with Polygon, a couple other chains that I kind of watch as well. And these are tokens that you may or may not want to look at that are a little bit cheaper as well. Some of the things that they're notable as well that as we scroll through here as well that I want to get. Caspa is kind of a new layer chain that's kind of on the lower end that I like and I'm looking at. Again, not financial advice, but this is one of the chains that it's been performing similar. It kind of linked into Bitcoin and the ETH, but it has some good things to it if you want to look into that one. DYOR chain is also a new upcomer. It's done 31%. So these are the things that you can look into, make some analysis. Maybe might not be the timing right now to get in. Maybe it is. HBAR as well. This is one that I look at. There are a few chains like XRP and HBAR is one of them that are they're ISO 22,000 approved. So this is one of the things that could be beneficial for them. So that's another piece of research that maybe we can get into in a future discussion. So when you look at the top 50, there's been some outperformers on Bitcoin and ETH. Here's FTX token. I won't even get to that one because I'm not a big believer in that one. But Render here this is another layer solution that is kind of a bringing kind of a GPL, the graphics rendering to the space here in Web3. So if you want it, they're trying to bring that computing power into a tokenized or a chain. So Render's one that you might want to look at as well. It's been up almost 10%. So those are the top 50 that we'll quickly scroll through today. So those are kind of the pieces that I want to, some of the ones that have been moving better than the market, some that are the market. The things that I do want to note too as well, if you're newer to the market and you get on the ETH chain can be heavy for gas. So here's the ETH GUI as well. So if you want to watch that, what I do is usually I go to uniswap.org, and if I just want to see what it is right now, um, one USDC for ETH, usually this can get downwards, $3-4. Right now it's at $22. So the gas rate for ETH is fairly high. And this, it depends on, how the chain and activity is going. So when things are pumping, it, does go up and it makes it a little harder. So hopefully you like this information. We'll maybe be covering this a couple times a week, just covering how the market's doing, how things are being doing. If you like this information, let me know in the comments. If there's things you'd like to see about where you find information, let me know. I'm happy to bring that to you. Um, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.